2.9%. A percent is comparing a whole quantity out of its 100%, which is the parts to the whole. The percent proportion is how we're going to solve these, is going to be then A over B is equal to P over 100. And then to solve percents, it's better to look at it as the is over of is equal to. And then what we're going to use is our skills learned from 2.8 on solving proportions to find an unknown part. Here we have three possibilities of unknown. The percent is unknown, the part is unknown, or the base is unknown. And usually it's the part is unknown. So when the percent is unknown, it basically is written as what percent of 125 is 50. So here we're using the is over of. So is over of 50 is over 125, and then the percent's unknown, so P over 100. Then we just simplify the left-hand side to get 2/5 is equal to P over 100, and then we can bring the 100 up and over, gives me 200 over 5, and then simplifying that tells me that 40 is equal to P. So what percent of 125 is 50? 40%. The next part would be missing part, and this is usually what you have for like shoes or whatever else you shop for. So what is 20% of 40? Again, we have is over of, however the what is associated with the is. So in math, when it's a what, we can refer to it as a variable. So we have x over 40 is equal to 20 over 100. So here the 20 over 100 reduces to 1/5, and now what we have to do is bring the 40 up and over, and then that tells us x is equal to 40 over 5, and that then reduces to 8. So x is just equal to 8. So what is 20% of 40? 8. And the last one is the unknown base. So 80% of what number is 16? Here then the is over of, the of is associated with the what part. So we have 16 over y is equal to 80 over 100. Notice that we have y, our variable, is in the denominator, so here we're going to have to cross multiply for it. So 16y is equal to 4 over 5, reducing beforehand. Now at this step, cross multiply both sides. And then this gives us 5 times 16 is equal to 4y. And then we simplify, getting 80 over 4y. And then finally divide both sides by 4, so we get 20 is equal to y. So 80% of what number is 16? And that's 20.